Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 9, leçon T. So we will see in this lesson together some verbs that are constructed with the preposition par. Okay, so as usual, we will have the translation and also we'll try to see how to pronounce them correctly. To succeed by, y arriver par, y arriver par, y arriver par. To arrive from, arriver par, arriver par, arriver par. To begin with, commencer par, commencer par, commencer par. To come by, venir par, venir par, venir par. To do out, faire par, faire par, faire par. To end with, finir par, finir par, finir par. To end with, terminer par, terminer par, terminer par. To enter by, entrer par, entrer par, entrer par. To leave by, sortir par, sortir par, sortir par. To obtain by, obtenir par, obtenir par, obtenir par. To swear by, jurer par, jurer par, jurer par. To walk through, se promener par, se promener par, se promener par. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.